It is a IoT-based smart parking system. There are used so many components like Arduino Uno, ESP8266 module, IR sensor, servo motor, LCD display or LED to monitoring parking availability in real time, and the data show in a Blink IoT app or website. Now I am used in this project to programmable module Arduino Uno or ESP8266 NodeMCU module. Now explain how to work two module. First I can explain Arduino Uno to add sensor and servo motor display, and then second ESP8266 NodeMCU board and 4 IR sensor. Now I can be explain how to work Arduino Uno to IR sensor, servo motor and display in this IoT-based smart parking system. Then the first IR sensor can be detect the vehicle, then servo motor can open the barrier. Then second IR sensor detect the vehicle, the servo motor close the barrier. Then same, the car can be parked. Then second car enter in the first IR sensor, servo motor can be open the barrier. Then second IR sensor then close the barrier. And that can be show 4 slot in this display. You can see welcome slot left 4, then 4 slot in this available. Then again on the ESP8266 board, then you will connect your Wi-Fi in the board. The ESP board connect your Wi-Fi, then the LED is off connected. Then how does ESP8266 board work? Then the vehicle is come in the first IR sensor and barricade open, and enter the second IR sensor and barricade is closed. Then it can be, now I can be show ESP board how to work, ESP8266 board how to work. Then the vehicle can be enter in this, then the vehicle can be parked in this IR sensor, then LED is on, you can be see, and this app can be show slot 4 is full. Then the car can be enter in the IR sensor, and then the LED is closed and data can be shown in display or in the app. Then car is parked in the second IR sensor can be parked to two vehicle can be parked, then 2 LED can be blue. Then the car can be enter and the park. You can be show in this app. You can be see this app. You can be see this app. Slot 4 and slot 3. 2 can be full. And see 3 LED can be low. The last slot can be slot 1. Welcome slot left 1 slot can be free. Then the last vehicle can be entered in this. Then you can be see it can be glow. Now you can see. Okay, there is the working of this project.